We'll start by creating a pop-up and then an embed form. If you already have a Klaviyo account and it's not connected to your e-commerce store, you can connect it through integration settings. Click on your name in the bottom left, select integrations, search Shopify. Paste in your Shopify URL, the My Shopify version of the URL. Click Connect to Shopify. Similar to before, this will take you to Shopify and ask you to install the Klaviyo app on Shopify. Click Install App in the top right. It will take you back to Klaviyo and click Integrate. From the Klaviyo homepage, under Content, click on Sign Up Forms from the list on the left. Klaviyo has a gallery of basic template form designs. They're starting points and highly customizable. From these, I'll select the basic form design for a pop-up. Choose a name for the form that describes the pop-up and select the website signups list, then create form. So now we'll use the Klaviyo designer to make the pop-up match the rest of your branding. Try to keep the form simple. The idea is to make the form easy to read so customers will be more incentivized to fill out the pop-up rather than just close it. You should have only 2 pages on your pop-up. Page 1 should detail the offer and have a place to input their email. And page 2 should have a confirmation message and a notice for them to go check their email for the discount code. If you want to collect SMS subscribers, add a second page to collect their phone number as well. So now that you've filled out the text and designed to match your branding, you want to change the behavior and targeting. Click on Behaviour and Targeting menu on the left. You can see the options to target audiences, which devices to show the form on and how the form will behave. We suggest having a loading delay for the pop-up. We recommend showing it when someone goes to exit, which is only going to work on desktop obviously, 5 seconds after page load and after scrolling 30% of the page. We also recommend that you don't show again after form submit, and show again after 3 days of closing. So if someone closes it, they're not going to see it for another 3 days. Show on mobile and desktop, and under targeting, check don't show to existing Klaviyo profiles. This makes sure you do not send existing customers offers. Also exclude any pages you do not wish the pop-up to appear on, mainly cart pages and checkout pages. Once the pop-up is complete, click on Draft and change it to Live. Once this is done, test your pop-up by going through the sign-up process. So now for the embed form. Within Klaviyo, in the left column, select Sign-up Forms. Once again, Klaviyo has a variety of pre-made templates. Set a basic template to customize. Here's where I choose which list email subscribers will be added to, and I'll select website signups again. Click Create Form. Like the pop-up form, you want to create the embed form to be simple and easy for customers to understand. Keep the text simple and the offer clear. Once the design is done, click Save and we'll now add it to your website. First, publish the form with the Publish button in the top right corner. This will give you a code in a little pop-up, but you don't need it at all. You just need to copy the 6-digit code, which is also in the URL when editing the form. Click Publish again. Now within Shopify, Within Shopify, go to the online store menu, click Theme. In Theme Settings, click Customize button. This will bring up the editor. At the top of the screen, you can control which page you want to add the form to. In our case, we want to add it to the home page. On the left panel at the bottom, click Add Section. Scroll down to Apps. You can see the Klaviyo Embed form. Here you need to add the form ID. This is the 6-digit code, and that's it. The form will now show on the website. Click Save, and it's live on the site. All right, that's it. Now the forms are complete. We've got our website tracking through the pop-ups and the forms, and we're collecting some subscribers as well. So let's just test it. On the site, we'll use the pop-up. We'll sign up there. I'll add a placeholder email address. Then return to Klaviyo, click on Profile in the left menu. You should see it has a profile now, and I'm on all the correct lists. So there's 3 types of sign-up forms that you can use on your website and create within Klaviyo: Popups, Flyouts, and Embed forms. Pop-ups appear when a customer is browsing the website after a certain amount of time. They appear in the middle of the screen and make it so the customer must interact with them or dismiss them before browsing the website. Pop-ups are tricky for a customer to dismiss and have a high conversion rate, but they are the most disruptive for a customer when they're browsing the website. Flyouts are similar to pop-ups, but they're a little less intrusive. They slide in from the side, appearing at the side of the page and not distracting the customer from the browsing as much. They're still noticeable to customers, but have a lower conversion rate than pop-ups. A quick note here about pop-ups and flyouts. They're pretty much the same on mobile, right? Like if you've got a flyout coming in on mobile, it's going to take up a lot of the screen. Always remember that most of your customers are on mobile, even though as marketers, we often spend our time optimizing the website on desktop. Just keep that in mind. And then we've got embedded forms. They're the forms that are just within the website. They're placed within a section of your e-commerce website, generally within the footer. Embed forms are helpful for customers who come to your site intending to subscribe for an offer or make it through your page without triggering a pop-up. Using these alongside other sign-up forms like pop-ups or flyouts is a good idea. So when creating your sign-up forms, make sure you have an offer to give your customers to make them want to sign up. We suggest using a discount code for the customer's first purchase, as it incentivizes them to stay on your store page, and by sending a code to them via email. It trains your customers to open emails sent by your brand.